Hello guys, it's your boy Daniel King. Guys, I want you all to follow me on this video. This video is very interesting. See how these two couples working in the same place, how he proposed to this girl. Guys, just watch what happened. This proposal is a very interesting one. Not all of our guests these days can take this kind of thing. Guy, watch it and see how this girl, she's a very humble somebody. Watch it and share it. Let other girls see it and learn from this. Thank you.
You can't come here to my duty post now and start proposing. Why would you even do this here? Stop, I beg. I don't want all this now. See, under rain. This is not the right time for this kind of
It is. There is no other right time.
Why under sun I stand for you? Today is my birthday. I'm under the sun.
Babe.
Rain for today. I'm here under. Yeah, stop.
Hey! Say yes! Lagos, Nigeria, I go love. My people no know as they be, no know as they go. I dey here with Officer Fred, in a last mile officer. So Fred, please, although you don't tell me, but please just brief us, tell the audience what you told me.
Okay, thank you. Well, my guy, you know easy. You see this life, you know just easy. So, how me and Sandra take start?
You can name na Sandra.
Her name na Sandra.
Okay.
So after finishing school, I be the English too much. But after finishing school, actually,
Where is the school? Is it university? Is it secondary school?
actually secondary school,
Okay.
I wanted to further. Actually, like I been want further my school. I really wanted to further. I wanted to study mechanical engineering in school. But my parents, things can't get as it be that year. So the thing can't gas push me enter street. I gas hustle. You know, say the kind thing as it be for this Nigeria now. Man, you know, just gas finish school, maybe you just go sit down one place. Normally, family gets bills. You get bills to pay for your own self.
Yeah.
You know, understand?
Yeah.
So I just gas enter street. So I did a lot of other things before I actually started doing conductor work. Before I even started doing conductor work, I don't hawk. I don't carry block for my head. Just say make I feel make ends meet. Make I feel feed mama, feed papa.
Yeah, that kind
I
of
still
thing.
get like 3 junior ones for house.
Yeah.
Where I gas feed.
Okay.
So I see say that one know they give me the kind money where I want. And I had to start. There's this guy, Jerry, that year. Now he call me, say, see you, he get boss.
Yeah.
Say, see, I seen one they do am. Say, I seen one they do am. Say, whether I fit. And me now, I just had no other choice than to take it as an option.
So if you do it like
Conductor work, conductor work, better one. Where we dey shout, we dey carry from this thing from Jakonde to this thing to Obalende. We dey
you
do
serious?
sometimes we dey do like about 3 trips a day.
wow.
Although we're making good money, but still, you no get the kind money wey that kind money no fit give you wetin you actually want. Shey you understand? So one certain day now, as I dey do my conductor work, so now I wan tell you as I take meet Sandra, so where I dey tell you,
Your babe.
my babe, person wey I wan make my wife right now. So
I go love.
normal now. So I met Sandra, my Jerry, so my boss driver. I was his conductor. So he had issues with the Lasma people, right? Of which Sandra was a part of the squad that day that apprehended us. Now they arrest us. Man, no use the big English. They took us to the office.
Yeah.
To their office. Now, from there, so now I don't the I am, but some of una go talk say I get mind. Normally, I get mind. Say I the I last mile officer. So
Conductor, the eye last officer.
conductor, the I last mile officer. So I had to just now small. My first collect her number, tell her say, you know, now just give her one of those scopes wey guy man gas give woman wey like and stuff. So along the line, now she can't tell me say this conductor work what they do. That's we don't already they talk for like some months. We don't they get to know each other.
Yeah.
She don't know say me I no be that type of guy wey be say they do we suppose they conductor line. So we had a few conversations and she saw that, in fact, not like she saw, because she was also liking me back. Because I'll see it as she was also liking me back, and she saw it as an opportunity to help somebody that she liked. You understand? So she told me about the form that was coming out that year, and I indicated interest. She, in fact, before I even indicate interest, now she don't hammer around for my head. Say you must. She suffer. No, they tire you.
Which form be this?
To join last man, their form
Okay.
to take the test and write the exams
Okay.
and stuff. So she helped me out with it. I got the form, I took the test, and it can't be say I can't pass the test.
Oh.
She you get. So now it is now me and she working. It can't now they can't see what it costs up.
This is a beautiful love story, man.
See, they can't still post me go her office, like office where she they report to after.
Wow.
They still
So from there, the relationship.
So now that was even when the relationship started well for me. Now there is start, because now we're always close to each other. We're always like working hand in hand. So it was more like she was putting me through
everything,
thing. But still, as they try to put me through all these things, we still no one make people where they work with no say with the package.
Okay.
So now it was now our responsibility to keep this thing away from our superior.
But now you want to make it open.
Now I am ready to make it open. If they want die, make them die.
You're not street boy, I understand. That guy.
So I just really want to make this official.
So, guys, that's what we're here. Fred won't go propose to Sandra, and today is Sandra's birthday, so you want to make it as a surprise, you know.
Yeah, and the reason why I actually picked today as it is her birthday is actually going to be a very big surprise, because she actually no expects I want to do this thing.
Wow.
She no expect.
So you know where she did now exactly?
Yeah, I know where she did.
So Mo go there now. Or do you want to call her to confirm?
To be safe, maybe she don't go on her break. So we guys call her, man know whether she did on duty or she don't go break.
Well, I'll call her and bring her your phone and call her. We don't do the location now, Abi. Where she did now, Abi? Who said she did?
Can she be that?
Are you sure? Oh, can she be that?
She go surprise.
I know, right?
She no expect her to come.
Guys, Mo cross. Not more traffic there, yeah. Mo cross now. I mean, control this traffic. I'm not a smart guy now. I'm going to do this. Hello, it's Sandra, right?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Baby, no. What's happening here?
Baby, don't worry about them. How are you?
I'm fine. I told you I'm at my duty post now.
Are you sure you're good?
I'm good. Didn't you call me earlier?
Well, I'm here with you. Like,
I'm busy, oh.
I know.
How about the camera?
Why? What's in the camera? Who is it?
Don't worry about it. Baby, you know.
Check it. I did it.
You know since baby, don't worry. Baby, you know since I met you, actually, it has been from one level.
Why the camera? You never see after my first.
Baby, don't worry. Leave work for now first.
But you talk now. Let me go back to what I'm doing.
Baby, I don't know how to say this, but I really want you to be a part of me. Don't cry. Don't cry for me. I have a surprise for you.
Okay, I understand. Happy birthday to me.
Baby, please. I want you as my wife. See, in front of this whole people.
First of all, that personal embarrassment here, okay? I'm sorry to use that word, but come on. You can't come here to my duty post now and start proposing. What's this? Besides, you know our conditions. Say that this for person when you say marriage.
Babe, I don't care.
What? Hey, this is a personal embarrassment.
Baby, I want you.
Why would you even do this here?
Please help me talk to you. I know you're not feeling so
That was an embarrassment now.
baby.
Should you can meet somewhere else. Why do this on the road? And besides, I can't even accept this ring now. I like you, yes, I like you fine, but
Baby, I
come on.
spent quite a lot on this, and it will really hurt me right now with
You
you.
know this thing can't.
Baby, I know,
This
but
uniform.
no, baby. See, it does not matter how much we earn right now. What is most important right now is the love that we share, and it is you that I want to make my wife. See, babe, don't look at any other thing. It is you,
Is that why you got camera here?
babe. You changed my life, right? And it will make me the happiest man on earth if you say yes to me in front. See, I know this is quite embarrassing for you, right? But it will make me the happiest man on
What
earth.
a birthday!
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh boy.
Sarah, please, are you gonna just accept?
Help me,
You can see that he
get
really,
happy.
really loves you. Please.
Baby, don't worry about him.
Fine, I'm going to accept the ring, but the manner in which you even brought it, first of all, my duty post, like, hey
Baby,
God.
I want you. Right now, I don't want anything else.
Stop, I beg. I don't want all this now. See, another ring. You're coming here to propose talking about marriage. We're supposed to think of how to better our life, not talking about marriage again. Don't they shine, I know that, so you are telling me. See, come on, I beg.
Please, come, don't.
Stop.
Babe,
This is not the right time for the kind of.
it is. There is no other right time.
Wait, this is not the right time. We should look for how to increase our value and everything. Like, get a better job.
Baby,
Because
I understand.
You're talking about marriage.
Baby.
Today they suffer now. Under
Baby.
sun, I stand for you. Today's my birthday. I'm under the sun.
Babe.
Rain for me. I'm here under that. Stop.
Babe,
It's not like I don't like you. I do, but like I said, this is not the right time. Stop talking about marriage. Come on. There are better things to think about. Marriage. You are here proposing. I did it to you. There they
babe,
propose.
see. If you
Is that why you brought
do you want to do this to me? Do you want to do this to me in front of everybody? See, there are so many eyes watching.
Are you not doing this in front of everybody? You are the one who caused it. You are the one who came here and said, stop following me. Stop following me.
Babe,
Stop. I don't like this thing you're doing. I don't like it.
babe, see,
I don't like this thing. I don't like it.
please. There is no other place I want to do this if not here and now.
So what if I say no?
I will. Like, there's so
Oh
many
yeah,
cars coming. I will, like,
Say you will die.
I will,
Oh
babe.
yeah.
Babe, please. I know if I you will not live without me.
Say so.
Give me your take your hand and you know. Please. Be my wife.
This is crazy, man. Hi. Hey! Say yes! I go Lavo! Lagos, Nigeria, I go Lavo!
We should take the absolute.
What?
Let's take the
What's
absolute.
the difference? I know.
Baby,
I'm so happy, man. This is so beautiful, man. This is so beautiful, man. Young couple in love. This is so beautiful, man. Wow. Wow, I beg.
There's no way to take
Anyone they go, I beg, come. She don't